the flying tomato. Flying tomato, he's up here. Flying tomato. See the tip of his hair? It's like this. Curved. I know, Shaun White has to brush his hair. I was doing all kinds of flips and jumps. And I'm the best player of the Olympics. So when I do it, camera, I can just jump higher than that tree up to outer space, you know. Shaun, I want to meet you someday. Okay, Shaun. What's your phone number, Shaun White? Could you put it toward me? When Shaun White, can I give you a call, Shaun White? When you Shawnee? Oh, bong.